So, how long have you lived here in Olmuda?
Well, 79 years. When I was a girl, I used to live on the edge of Arao.
Really?
I used to come here to play sometimes. That area was all housing for Mitsui coal industry. The left side of my body was paralyzed due to stroke.
Oh,
It became too difficult to even walk.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I've improved a great deal, though. I've continued to get better even after getting out of the hospital.
Oh,
That was 3 years ago.
3 years.
Yes.
As we age, different parts of our bodies may start to malfunction. However, we can think of it like a jigsaw puzzle, where some pieces are missing, yet many usable pieces still remain. The missing pieces can be restored through rehabilitation. If recovery isn't possible, support from others or technology can help fill the gaps. This way, even in old age, people can lead vibrant and fulfilling lives with a bit of creativity. Each person has unique values and life backgrounds, so the goals of rehabilitation should be carefully tailored to each of those unique values and backgrounds. This approach embodies the concept of person-centered design. Restoring the missing pieces is a means toward living well and not the ultimate goal.
Hello! Perfect! You were all able to get online. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Mutsuko, your arms aren't falling down today. Very straight. Nice. Okay, let's do this one together. We'll start in this position. Put your arms out like this. Here we go. And 1. Move your shoulders around towards the front. 2. Rotate from your shoulder blades. 3. Sachiko, can you put your hands on the table? Sit and stand up using the chair. Okay, maybe it's a bit far from the table. Practice sitting down and standing up. Yes. Let's give it a try now. Yachan, do you have any pain? Are you okay?
It hurts.
Oh, it hurts? Where exactly?
My lower back and my legs.
Be careful not to overdo it. If it's too painful, be sure to let me know.
In addition to increased rehab sessions, I believe in the importance of home-based rehab with the same level of care as in a facility. Instead of the same exercises, services need to be tailored to each individual, helping them make essential changes in their daily lives and work towards having fully regular sessions.
During our online rehab sessions, I got to chat with a patient about different parts of their daily life. This helped us come up with specific goals together, which made everything feel more positive. In the next phase, we had regular visits from the staff, and I think the info we gathered during those times helped inspire new ways to do rehab.
A patient told me I only need to be there during that time, so I can schedule lots of things around it. I thought that was great because it contributed to their independence.
Sanchiko and her family went to a shrine to celebrate New Year's, which was really cool. I think it's awesome how they noticed her doing her exercises and working so hard on her online rehab. It inspired her daughter and made her feel like Sachiko could still do a lot, which brought their family closer together and helped strengthen their shared goals.
No, it's not difficult to communicate online at all. We've already met everyone at the facility, so it's like, oh, look, it's so-and-so. There's a feeling of community, just like we're working together. Yes, I can increase my sessions. And in addition to that, even if the care support is no longer required, I can continue to receive online rehab. I think that's a great feature.
The fundamental principles of the long-term care insurance system are the preservation of dignity and support for independent living. This system is designed to provide services to the elderly. However, we need to ask ourselves whether our services genuinely uphold these principles. Through this evaluation, we aim to assess our current practices and determine the next normal.
Where do you want to go when you get well?
Kyoto. I want to ride the sightseeing tram or hop across the stepping stones on Kamogawa River.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Let's do our best to work towards those goals.
Yes.